Hi friends. What if I told you that the world of AI is about to change in ways we never imagined? The artificial intelligence revolution is moving at lightning speed, and 2025 is shaping up to be a year of groundbreaking advancements. But what exactly can we expect? Well, I am Dr. Naeem, and today, I'm going to break down 8 major AI trends that will define 2025. And trust me, some of these will completely blow your mind. So, if you're an AI enthusiast, a tech geek, or just someone curious about the future, stick around because this is going to be an exciting ride. Let's get started. Number 1. AI agents, the rise of autonomous intelligence. One of the biggest trends we're going to see in 2025 is the massive improvement of AI agents. But what exactly are AI agents? Think of them as super smart assistants that can think, plan, and take actions on their own. Right now, AI models can perform simple tasks, like answering questions or generating text. But when it comes to handling complex, multi-step problems, they often struggle. The reason? Current AI models lack strong logical reasoning and tend to lose track of multiple variables. However, 2025 is going to change that. We're going to see AI agents that can break down complex problems, create step-by-step plans, and use external tools to achieve their goals. These AI-powered agents will revolutionize everything from business automation to personal assistance. Number 2. Smarter AI with Inference Time Compute. Have you ever noticed how AI gives instant answers? That's because most AI models process information in real time without actually thinking. But in 2025, we'll see a new breakthrough, Inference Time Compute. This means AI models will take a few extra moments to process complex queries, allowing them to think more deeply before responding. Imagine an AI that doesn't just give you a quick, sometimes flawed answer but actually analyzes the question, considers different possibilities, and delivers a well-thought-out response. This advancement will make AI interactions much more accurate, reliable, and useful for industries like healthcare, finance, and law. Number 3. Mega AI models with trillions of parameters. AI is getting bigger, literally. In 2024, the largest AI models had about 1 to 2 trillion parameters. Think of parameters as the neurons of an AI brain. But in 2025, experts predict models could reach an astonishing 50 trillion parameters or more. Why does this matter? Larger models mean better understanding, improved reasoning, and more human-like interactions. These models will be so powerful that they could completely transform industries, from creative content generation to scientific research. Number 4. Tiny but mighty, the rise of small AI models. While we'll see mega AI models in 2025, we'll also witness the rise of small yet powerful AI models. These compact models will have only a few billion parameters but will be optimized to run efficiently on personal devices like laptops and smartphones. Imagine having an AI assistant that's as smart as ChatGPT but runs entirely on your phone, without needing an internet connection. This will make AI more accessible and privacy-friendly, giving people more control over their AI-powered tools. Number 5. AI-powered enterprise solutions. AI isn't just for fun, it's revolutionizing businesses. In 2024, AI was mostly used for customer service, IT automation, and cybersecurity. But in 2025, AI will go way beyond that. Think about AI-powered customer service bots that can actually solve complex issues instead of just redirecting you to human agents. Or cybersecurity systems that instantly detect and prevent cyber threats in real time. AI is going to become an essential business tool that will make industries more efficient and smarter than ever before. Number 6. Near-infinite AI memory. Have you ever chatted with an AI and wished it remembered past conversations? Well, that's about to become a reality. AI models are developing near-infinite memory capabilities, meaning they will remember everything you've ever discussed with them. Imagine talking to a virtual assistant that remembers all your preferences, previous conversations, and even your long-term goals. This will make AI feel more personalized and human-like, helping in fields like customer support, education, and personal productivity. Number 7. Human plus AI, the perfect collaboration. AI is impressive on its own, but what happens when humans and AI work together? That's where human-in-the-loop AI comes in. This means AI won't replace professionals but will enhance their abilities. For example, studies have shown that AI chatbots can sometimes outperform doctors in diagnosing medical conditions. However, when doctors use AI as a tool, they actually perform worse than the AI alone. Why? Because we still need better ways to integrate AI into human workflows. In 2025, expect new tools that make it easier for professionals, whether doctors, lawyers, or engineers, to seamlessly collaborate with AI without having to become AI experts themselves. Number 8. Your prediction: what's next for AI? Finally, I want to hear from you. The AI world is evolving so fast that predicting the future is tricky. So, let me know in the comments, what AI trend do you think will shape 2025? Will we see AI-powered robots in our homes? Will AI create entire movies by itself? Share your thoughts below. AI is on the verge of a massive transformation, and 2025 is going to be an exciting year for innovation. From autonomous AI agents to ultra-smart personal assistants, the future is closer than we think. If you enjoyed this breakdown of upcoming AI trends, make sure to subscribe to Trend AI today for more insights into the world of artificial intelligence. Stay curious, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video. Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe to Trend AI today for the latest AI updates. Drop a comment with your AI predictions for 2025.